In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Timeline View. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool designed to help teams stay organized and productive. One of its most versatile features is the Timeline View, which allows you to visualize tasks across a specific time frame, adjust schedules, and manage workloads efficiently. Whether you're planning a project, tracking deadlines, or balancing team responsibilities, the Timeline View provides a clear, flexible way to stay on top of everything. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method, whether that's your email, Google account, or another connected option. After logging in, give the homepage a moment to load. Once it's ready, your workspace will appear on the screen. Now, over on the left-hand side of the page, you'll see the navigation panel. This is where you manage your spaces, lists, and views. Click on the space you'd like to work in. This could be a specific project area, department, or team setup, depending on how your ClickUp account is organized. Next, look at the view bar near the top of the screen and check if the timeline view is already available. If you see it listed, great, you can click on it to open it. If not, don't worry, it's easy to add. Simply click the plus view button, which is usually located on the right side of the view bar. Once you click that, a search window will open. Here, type in the word timeline and select it from the options that appear. After adding the timeline view, you'll need to give it a clear name. Choose something that reflects its purpose, like project timeline or marketing schedule. You'll also decide whether this view should be public, meaning everyone in the space can see it, or private, so only you or selected members have access. Once that's done, click to save the view. Now that you're in the timeline view, let's explore its features. At the top of the timeline, you'll notice zoom controls. These let you adjust the time frame displayed. Whether you want to see tasks by days, weeks, or months, use the zoom level that best suits the scope of your project. If you need to adjust the duration of a task, simply click and drag the edges of the taskbar to extend or shorten its time frame. To reschedule a task entirely, click and drag the whole taskbar to a new position on the timeline. It's as simple as that. For any task that doesn't yet have dates assigned, you can click directly into the task and add start and due dates. This ensures everything is properly scheduled and accounted for. If your project involves dependencies, tasks that rely on one another, you can map these relationships directly in the timeline view. This helps you visualize the sequence of tasks and identify any potential bottlenecks that could delay progress. To get a clear overview of your team's workload, you can group tasks by different categories, such as assignee, status, or list. This is especially useful for identifying who is working on what and whether any team member is overloaded or underutilized. If you find that someone's schedule is overloaded, you can easily drag their tasks to new dates or reassign them to balance the workload. This flexibility helps keep your project running smoothly. Filters are another handy feature. Use them to hide completed tasks, focus on specific teams, or isolate a particular time window. Filters make it easier to zero in on the information you need without getting distracted by irrelevant details. To make your timeline even clearer, you can apply color coding based on task status, priority, or other criteria. This visual organization makes it easier to spot progress, see priorities, and keep everything on track at a glance. Finally, if your timeline starts to feel cluttered, you can collapse groups to focus on key tasks. This is a great way to simplify your view while still keeping track of the most important items. And that's it. With these tools and techniques, you're now ready to take full advantage of the timeline view in ClickUp. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.